Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera Review, a reliable entry-level choice for photography enthusiasts. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly DSLR that combines user-friendly features with reliable performance, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 1855mm lens is an excellent choice, offering a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor for high-resolution photos and a DIGIC 4+ image processor that ensures quick and efficient performance, while the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology enables seamless photo sharing and remote shooting, making it a top pick for budding photographers who want to experiment with versatile features. With a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry for travel or daily use, this camera boasts a high-quality 1855mm lens, perfect for wide-angle and zoom photography, allowing users to capture sharp and vibrant images in diverse lighting conditions, while the full HD video recording capability ensures smooth and professional quality videos for vloggers and filmmakers alike, and its 9-point autofocus system, paired with the AI Servo AF, guarantees accurate focusing even in dynamic scenes. Designed to support creativity and skill development, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 features a user-friendly interface with a 3-inch LCD screen, providing clear and intuitive controls for adjusting settings, viewing photos, and accessing advanced features like Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Filters, and Basic Plus Mode, which empower users to enhance their shots effortlessly, while its ability to shoot at 3 frames per second ensures you never miss a critical moment, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects or action shots. Equipped with ISO sensitivity that ranges from 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800, this camera performs admirably in low-light situations, delivering crisp and noise-free images, and its compatibility with a wide range of Canon EF and EF lenses ensures scalability for those who want to explore more advanced photography techniques, while the inclusion of Wi-Fi and Canon Camera Connect app compatibility simplifies transferring files to smartphones, tablets, or cloud storage, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts who need quick and hassle-free uploads. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is built with a durable construction that feels sturdy yet lightweight, ensuring long-lasting performance, and its EOS Utility Webcam Beta software compatibility enables seamless use as a webcam. 4. Live streaming or video conferencing, adding to its versatility in the digital age. Priced competitively in the entry-level DSLR category, this camera is a fantastic investment for photography beginners and casual users who value a balance of simplicity, image quality, and affordability, offering a complete package with its EFS 1855mm lens that caters to a variety of shooting scenarios, making the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera a worthy choice for anyone starting their photography journey or looking to upgrade from a smartphone to a dedicated camera for better image and video quality.